This is the world's first MPV in the premium segment to feature a purely battery electric drive system. The battery capacity of 100 kWh ensures a range of up to 400 kilometers. The interior and exterior with the design idiom of the EQ product and technology brand. World premiere for the first purely battery electric people mover in the premium segment. With the Concept EQV, Mercedes-Benz has combined locally emission-free mobility with impressive driving performance, maximum functionality and aesthetic design. The new concept vehicle will be presented for the first time at the Geneva International Motor Show from 7 to the 17th of March 2019. Mercedes-Benz Vans plans to release a series production vehicle on the basis of the Concept EQV, which will be presented to the public at this year's Frankfurt Autoshow. Technical highlights of the vehicle include a range of up to 400 kilometers and rapid charging to enable a range of 100 kilometers within just 15 minutes. What's more, the vehicle offers the greatest possible level of comfort in its interior and maximum functionality, for example thanks to the diverse range of possible seating configurations. Accordingly, the concept vehicle has a broad range of potential applications covered. For example, in the private sphere, families or sports enthusiasts benefit from its great functionality and variability. Meanwhile, for VIP transport tasks, the vehicle offers an impressive comprehensive range of equipment and convinces with an especially pleasant ride comfort. Mercedes-Benz Vans is consistently advancing the electrification of its product portfolio. With the Concept EQV, we are now taking the next step. The concept offers all of the brand typical attributes familiar from this segment which Mercedes-Benz customers have come to know, appreciate and also expect. As a family companion, a leisure time adventurer or a shuttle vehicle with lounge ambience, the combination of these characteristics with a battery electric drive mean the Concept EQV is a concept car with a future. And so we're particularly excited that we will soon be able to offer a series production model on the basis of this concept, explains Wilfried Porth, member of the board of management of Daimler AG. The Concept EQV is representative of the consistent development of the EQ technology brand. Mercedes-Benz founded the technology brand in 2016, kicking off with the Concept EQ. At the 2017 IAA, the Concept EQA followed in the compact segment. In September 2018, the brand presented its first series production vehicle, the EQC, combined power consumption, 22.2 kWh, 100 km, combined CO2 emissions, 0 grams per kilometer, provisional figures, electric drive SUV. The Concept EQV will expand the model range by a premium MPV for up to 8 occupants. 150 kilowatts motor with 100 kWh capacity delivers a range of 400 kilometers. The Concept EQV features a compact electric drivetrain on the front axle with an output of 150 kilowatts. The electric motor, the transmission with fixed transmission ratios, the cooling system and the power electronics form a compact and integral unit. Energy is supplied by a lithium-ion battery. Thanks to a capacity of 100 kWh, a maximum range of up to 400 kilometers is realistic. And with a top speed of 160 km per hour, it ensures superior driving pleasure even out of town. The concept vehicle can be conveniently charged at home using a Mercedes-Benz wallbox or a regular household plug socket. For even more flexibility in your daily routine, there is also a rapid charging function. Within just 15 minutes, the battery can be charged with sufficient energy for a range of around 100 kilometers. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends.